respected Principal Ma'am and teachers, our dear parents, and our lovely audience.
I extend a very warm welcome and a lovely evening to you. We, the students of class 9 of Vivek High School Mohali, are presenting the mystical love legend of Punjab, Sassi Punno.
Our principal, Miss Harbina Randhawa, has a view that theatre helps children experience different characters, cultures, and emotions, which adds a lot of depth to the personality. Mrs. Nisha Luthra, our director, believes that culture is not only preserved by the society at large, but also by its youth.
Her idea of bringing Sassi Punno to life is inspired by not only making students familiar with their rich folklores, but also making them live, cherish, and experience forever in their life.
This play was originally written in Punjabi by Sri Balkar Sidhu, who is the vice chairman of the Chandigarh Sangeet Natak Academy. And the president of the Punjabi Lekhak Sabha. He is also an actor, dancer, and performer.
When our director read the play, she was completely moved by the purity, earthiness, and musicality of the story, and she felt that it should reach a wider readership and audience. Hence, the play was translated into English by team narrators.
We hope you all will enjoy the play as much as we have enjoyed putting it all together for you. And request you all to please keep your phones on silent and refrain from flash photography.
So, without any further ado, let's transcend into the 12th century with Sassi Punno.
Where King Adam Jam of Bhambor city is praying for a child.
Oh Parvardigar, with your grace, I have everything in the world. Unending wealth, army, palaces, land, treasure. But why have you not blessed me with a child, Lord? Oh Khuda, have mercy, have pity on me. Bless me with a child, Lord. Bless me with a child. Bless me with a child.
ਮਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੀਰਾ ਬਚੜੇ ਨਾਏ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੀਰਾ ਬਚੜੇ ਨਾਏ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਨਾਏ ਵੀਰ ਮਿਲਾ ਝੂਲੇ ਲਾਲਣ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇ ਨਾਏ ਵੀਰ ਮਿਲਾ ਝੂਲੇ ਲਾਲਣ ਸਿੰਗੜੀ ਦਾ सेवर का सतीशा बाज करंदर
Huzur, have patience. God is kind. He will definitely respond to your prayers. Your donations to the beggars, aid to the travelers, and feast to the hungry and poor people clearly show how kind you are. God will be kind to you also. He never ignores the prayers of his devotees. Just have patience and praise his Lord.
You are right, Mother. But I am losing my patience. There is no such use from the palace.
Long live the king!
Tell me what's the news. Is it all right?
Yes, Your Highness, she's absolutely fine. Khuda has been kind to you. You have been blessed with a gorgeous baby girl of beauty matches.
Oh, Parvardigar, thank the million to you for this blessing.
Maharaj, her beauty beats in the brightness of the sun. The moonlight
Wazir Ala,
Ji Huzoor.
roll out the donations, organize a grand feast, invite the best dancers and musicians.
As you please.
ਮਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੀਰਾ ਬਚੜੇ ਨੇ ਮਾਵਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੀਰਾ ਬਚੜੇ ਨੇ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਣਾ ਏ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਝੂਲੇ ਲਾਲਣ ਭੈਣਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਣਾ ਏ ਵੀਰ ਮੇਰਾ ਝੂਲੇ ਲਾਲਣ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਦਾ ਸੇਵਨ ਦਾ ਸਕੀਸ਼ਾ ਬਾਜ਼ ਕਰ ਤਮਾਮ ਮਸਤ ਕਲੰਦਰ ਅਲੀ ਦਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਨੰਬਰ
All right, the queen is entering the court.
Tamaam mast kalandar Ali da pehla number Tamaam mast kalandar Ali da pehla number O laal meri ho laal meri Kamari malari malari 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 kamari malari malari
Royal astrologers, Rajyotishi and Najmiji, be called immediately.
The royal astrologers are coming. Huzoor.
Long live the king.
I request both of you to break the future of my daughter.
Maharaj, the lines on your daughter's forehead are,
what Joshiji?
they are,
Najmiji, what your wisdom says about the future of my daughter?
The forehead of the girl says that,
Go on, Najmi.
Huzoor, I'm concerned about my life if I tell the truth.
Go on, Najmi. Why are you scared? Utter wisdom, fearlessly without being hesitant.
Huzoor, this girl is ill-fated and unlucky for your dynasty.
he is right, Maharaj. She will fall in love with the prince and cause disgrace and shame to you and your family.
Yes, Huzoor, the tales of her love will be talked of in the entire world.
Enough is enough. I can't take your words anymore. Wazir Ala, put the baby in a box with a kilogram of gold and cast it into the river.
Maharaj! Such cruelty! On an innocent infant? No! No! Think at least about me. As a mother,
Wazir Ala, my orders be followed immediately.
as you please, Huzoor.
ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮ ਕਰ ਪੁੱਤ ਪੁੱਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਪੋਤਰੇ
No, Maharaj, no, no.
ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮ ਕਰ ਧੀਆਂ ਧੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਦੋ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਹੋਏ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਜਾਵੇ ਮਰ ਵਜੀਦਾ ਕੋਣ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੂੰ ਆਕੇ ਇੰਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੰਜ ਨਹੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਪੁੱਤ ਪੁੱਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਪੋਤਰੇ ਇੱਕ ਨਾਮ ਦੇ ਕਰ ਧੀਆਂ कपड़े कौन जग धोबी को बन, कपड़े कौन जग धोबी को बन, कंडे नदी तेरा दे रुड़िया जांदा सरूप पानी विच देख के ओ घबरा गए, रुड़िया जांदा सरूप पानी विच देख के ओ घबरा गए, देखिया कोई सरूप जग होना, देखिया कोई सरूप जग होना, बचाई तो सुंदर पाया तेरा तोहने फरमाया ब्रह्मा की करिश्मा तेरा तोहने फरमाया तोहने फरमाया तोहने फरमाया।
Ya Allah, how kind are you and your blessings on a poor washerman like me. I can't thank you enough. My Parvardigar, you have responded to the prayers of this unfortunate man.
This is the prettiest gift we could ever ask for. The baby looks like a godly figure. And this golden currency, and in her neck, this golden tabiz embedded in a chain of gold.
They say, very true of you. Oh Khudaya, whenever you give in abundance. Shame on cruelty of such people who left this newly born, beautiful child to die in a river like this. She doesn't seem to me like an ordinary girl. She looks like a princess.
Whoever is she is our daughter now. I will not give her to anyone. I will myself bring her up.
Yes, why not? If anyone questions about her, we'll say she's our child, our own daughter. I have already decided her name. The name of our daughter, who's brighter than the moon, will be Sassi.
Sassi!
Let's find everything up. They had everything except a child. And now, we are complete. Ya Allah, how kind are you?
रब करम कीता साडे ते, रब करम कीता साडे ते, तोहने फरमाया इक नानू बिन मंगया मिलया, इक नानू बिन दुआया, इक नानू बिन मंगया मिलया, इक नानू बिन दुआया। रब करम कीता साडे ते, रब करम कीता साडे ते, तोहने फरमाया इक नानू बिन मंगया मिलया, इक नानू बिन दुआया, इक नानू बिन मंगया मिलया, इक नानू बिन दुआया, इक नानू बिन दुआया।
So
give us anything you ask for. Dad, Muzaffar, the creator of that portrait can tell about the prince in that portrait. Muzaffar? Yes, Muzaffar. Salaam alaikum, Viji.
Walaikum Assalam, sister. Tell me, what's the matter?
Viji, I think my destiny is connected with this portrait. And this portrait is connected with you. Please tell me whose portrait is this?
This portrait. Sister, this portrait is of Kesh Makran's prince, Punan. Those people are merchants. What do you have to do with them?
Trading. A trading of the same kind.
A trading. And of the same kind. How?
Yes, brother. I have to trade the hearts. To give a heart and take a heart. Isn't it the same kind of trading? Now please tell me, where can I find this prince?
On the Patanaus, the caravans come from Kesh Makran. You can go there and find the prince of your heart.
Thanks a ton, Virji. May God bless you.
A trading of the same kind.
in no time my feet themselves brought me to my destination. The same glow, the same grace, whom I've been waiting for ages, has finally come to me, right in front of me. I can't believe. Who are you? And from where? My country is Kesh Makran, and my name is Punnan. Are you real? Or am I dreaming? I can't believe I can touch you. Yes, Sasir. Why not? It seems that I have been only yours forever. Time separated us. सच तू आंखें सोनिया, असलो साडा प्यार, मैं कुर्बान तेरे ते, जिन मेरे तेरे साथ. Sasir, the culprit of your love is here now. And what about you? I am already the slave of your love since ages. Really, Punna? Yes, Sasir. It's true.
प्यार के मलारा वाले गल कहने बहने प्यार के मलारा वाले गल कहने बहने बदलानिया छाने बदलानिया छाने प्यार च गवाह बनिया साडे पिंड दियां रावां प्यार च गवाह बनिया साडे पिंड दियां रावां
Sohni, paale ame, chalna.
Those washermen stand nowhere before us. This is very cheap of Punnu. He has caused insult to us.
This love is such a disease that people compromise their caste and religion.
But at least he should have thought of his image. He must have been honey trapped by that washerwoman.
But what to do now? I'm dying to see my brother. Our brother Punnu has become stone-hearted now. I can't see the pain our father would feel after knowing this. Our mother keeps crying all the time. What has that Douglas Punnu done to us?
This crying won't help us. We need to plan something to bring Punnu back.
And make him take care of his business, which is getting a loss day by day. Just send this message to that kid his father, his parents. Wants to see him before leaving this world. Come back to our land.
Brother, we have sent him messages many times. Baban and Babiha begged before him many a time. But it didn't make any difference.
So, what to do now?
I have a plan. If you support me, I can make it possible.
Share that plan immediately.
Yes,
Tell
yes.
us.
We will send him message that we have accepted his marriage and all want to be present in the ceremony. And then what? He will be happy to know. We will go to Bambor city on our camel cars to attend the marriage with lot of liquor. Then what? And then what? For 2 days, we will attend to your hospitality. And third day, Sasi's Toli's departure. Will you feast? Yes or no?
Of course.
At the time of feast, we will make sure that Punnu consumes a lot of liquor.
You mean we'll have him completely intoxicated? So much so that he completely loses his senses?
Exactly. At midnight, when everyone will fall asleep, we'll put Punnu on the camel cart and steal him from his marriage.
And before he gets back to his senses, he will be with us in our country. Kesh Makran!
Yes, perfect idea.
Let's go!
Be
Brother, wake up! Tumar! Oh, Tumar, brother, wake up! Brother, wake up! There's no time to sleep. He looks completely out of his senses now. Yes, he's not going to wake up.
Now, what to do?
Let's take the camel cart with us. Yes, this plan sounds good. Everybody's asleep. Time's not supporting us. Let's not think much and take him.
And requited love, energy.
is she? She looks like an angel. Ya Allah, your world is full of mystery and puzzle. You create such marvelous beings and take them away. Everything in this world is temporary. It's like the bubble of water. Oh my heart, abandon these worldly matters and colorful adors. Be a man. Be a slave to road. Ya Allah! Ya Habibi!
Tumar, Biradar Tumar, wake up. Biradar, wake up. Brothers, what is this place?
We are going back to our country. Kesh Makran!
To Kesh Bagran? But what about my Sassi? Where is she?
Forget that, Sasina.
Forget her? What do you mean forget her?
I'll tell you after reaching Kesh Makraj.
Brothers, I beg you, please, let me go to my Sassi. Let me go.
Come on, Biradar. You won't take it like this.
जग पुनून छा होश आई छाड़ मार मैं मल तो ले गया चारे बन्ने देख गोर गोर होया कमला जिहा जीवे होके रह गया वाल पट पट अपने ही सिर देते गंदियां अपनियां बावां नूं वड्डदा कदे भजे दर कदे नसे उधर ससी अपनी नू फिरे लबदा ससी अपनी नू फिरे लबदा लबदा
Sasiye! 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 Bagheera, tell me something about my Sassi. You must have seen her. She's prettier than the moon, brighter than the moonlight. Have you seen her anywhere?
my child. I am a shepherd. I have nothing to do with worldly matters. I have renounced everything and free from all such attachments. But you can tell me if there is anything related to God.
What is this? Tomb of an old person. Who's there inside it?
This is the tomb of an unfortunate girl whose lover deceived her. In search of him, she reached this desert. Wandered a lot like a mad person in a hope that she would find him. She was saying, something like this.
What was she saying, shepherd?
सूड़ा सल्ली दरदा मली प्यार तेरे च दीवानी चली बिरहों लुटी साखों टूटी लेके पीड़ अवली फिरे कली दीद तेरी नो सैके था बैठे कितियों वे सोनिया तेनू आजा मारा वे सोनिया तेनू आजा मारा
Ayali? Didn't she take the name of her lover?
of course she took his name. She kept on calling him like God until she died.
What name, Ayali?
Sometimes Sassi. Sometimes Punnu. Sometimes Sassi's Punnu. Sometimes Punnu Sassi. One couldn't know if her name was Punnu or Sassi.
No! No! Oh no! No! She was Sassi! Punnu Sassi! My Sassi! This innocent Punnu Sassi! Sassi of this helpless and unfortunate Punnu! Sassi! Sassi! Oh Sassi! What have you done? Why did you wait for me? I would have reached even by crossing rivers of blood. We would meet no matter what. Wish you had a little patience. Wish you had waited for me a little. Sassi! Oh Sassi! Sassi!
उड़क पहुंच ससी दी कबर ते पुन्नू दू हथड़ा मारे माड़ी कीती जग दे साइयां एहो गिला गुजारे पत्थर नाल सिर मार मार के ते खुद नू जख्मी करया अंत उथे ही ढेरी हो के साखरी भरया
Wallah, Ya Habib. Going on. This is again our password. If I come on the stage and I say Wallah Habibi, that means that they have actually given their 100% to the stage. And yes, they I can't stand right now because in the beginning of this year, we started with the deadlines, the projects, project after project, and today is that deadline over. So I'm sitting and I'm relaxing, and I have 100 names to thank, so I really need to be comfortable first. So you will have to excuse me and I will sit and I'll talk to you. I have to share a small story. Guys, you can also take a seat. I will call you if need be. So, a small story. There was a book which was on my shelf from long. And it was my handicap that I could not read it because it was in Punjabi. As an artist, I need to know all the languages, but I cannot read Punjabi. So, Balkarji being our mentor, our friend, our guide, the writer of the play, I requested him, "Sir, please come to the office and read it to me and my team." And the way he read each word of the play, he read the entire book. It took us 1.5 hours, and me and my team, we fell in love with the script there and then. And then we decided that it needs to go to more people, to wider audience, so it needs to be translated into English for people like me who cannot read Punjabi. So here we are, ladies and gentlemen, with Sassi and Puni. Then I was called by the management of Vivek High School and the principal, Harveena ma'am of Vivek Mohali. They asked me, what do you want to do this time for Founders? And I said, Sassi Puni. They said, okay, Nisha, what would they learn out of the play? So today, there are many examples. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. As the third generation of the legend, I am taking this moment, stealing this moment away from my dear friend Nisha. First of all, a huge round of applause to these wonderful, wonderful artists, performers, musicians. You all deserve a standing ovation. Ya Habibi, marhaba. Afreen. So, to all the parents and the teachers and to each and everyone present here, I'm just very emotional also and feeling very overwhelmed with everyone's presence. I mean, everyone knows my mom. There is a dear, dear friend sitting in Alberta, a banker who has been married and moved to Canada since 2008, is a mother of 2 beautiful girls. And what she sent to me was probably the most precious and the most beautiful birthday gift that I could ever think of giving to Nanima. She has sent something that she has handcrafted, and we are unveiling it in front of you today, marking this moment as a historical moment for us as a family. When I say family, ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਇੱਕ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਦੇ ਸਦੱਸਿਆ ਹੈਗੇ ਆ। ਸੋ ਉਹ ਮਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ
ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਗੀਤਾਂ ਦੀ ਤੇ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ ਦੀ ਮਾਂ। She's probably not just your mother-in-law, Mama. So we are taking this moment and with Ma'am Randhawa and Nisha, please. Bata dijiye. Ma'am. This is basically a printout of the original. This is a charcoal pencil sketch, and this is what she has made with is gold leaf paper. She wanted to kind of immortalize Surinder Kaur with gold leaf. That's how she's explained. And she wanted to do the lilies and magnolias in pink and purple, talking about the simplicity and the dignity, and of course the nightingale of Punjab, and the nightingale who has reigned our hearts and our souls for so long. Thank you so much. This is a very special moment. Thank you, Nisha.
We can't wait now. We really want both of you to sing Sassi Punnu for us. Please, please, just give that.
ਇੰਨੀਆਂ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਗੱਲਾਂ ਕਰਕੇ ਤੇ ਹੁਣ ਸੱਸੀ ਪੁੰਨੂ ਮੈਂ ਗਾਣਾ। ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਰਾ ਕੁਝ ਤੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਕੁਝ ਗਾ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹੋ। ਇਹ ਬੱਚਿਆਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਨਾ ਖੂਬਸੂਰਤ ਸੱਸੀ ਪੁੰਨੂ ਨੂੰ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਪੇਸ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੈ। And what a lovely talent these kids under your guidance. And thanks to you people teaching the new generation our own folklore, which is very important. And I feel very blessed कि बच्चे मेरी माँ ने गाने के उत्ते एक कहानी बना के लाए और बलकार को थैंक्स कर रही हैं जिन्हें स्टोरी लिखी। एंड बच्चों ने अंग्रेजी की प्रॉब्लम है कि साढ़े बच्चे सारे जिहड़े ने वो स्कूलों के विच पढ़ते हैं अंग्रेजी तो पंजाबी के जिहड़े फोक टेल्स ने थोड़ियां जिहियां भुल गए हैं। पर यह रिमाइंड कराना आई थिंक ऐसे जनरेशन का काम है, साडा ही काम है कि अपने बच्चों को अपने फोकलोर में भी सिखाइए, whether in English or in Punjabi, but the folklore remains the same. So Sassi Punnu goes, come on Nana. Surinder, I can see Surinder Sherry here. पर इन काले पर्दे के अगेंस्ट तो वैसे दिस नहीं रहा, but I can see his गिटार प्लेइंग। हाँ जी बलकार कितने चले गए थे? हाँ जी ये सारा कुछ with your permission, ma'am, just as a very small token of appreciation from Doremi Creations, which is a home production launched by my mother. I am the creative director now, and wanting to create much more magic and do a lot of things in collaboration with art, with theatre, with painting, with a whole team of like-minded people. So today we just have a small token that we would first of all like to present to Randhawa ma'am. It's the miniature of the same painting. The next one goes to Balkar Sidhu Badevi. And of course, one has to go to Nisha Lucha, my dear friend. Thank you so much. हाँ जी कोई रिहर्सल नहीं है। सबके म्यूजिशियंस तैयार बैठे हुए हैं। You can follow. Now you know Sassi Punnu too well. Ad-lib करेंगे। सस्सी पुन्नू दो जने सस्सी पुन्नू दो जने कोई मुख पर जर्द रुमाल वे हाय वे पुन्नू जालमा दिला दिया मैरमा सुती नू छोड़ के न जाना सस्सी पुन्नू दो जने कोई मुख पर जर्द रुमाल हाय रे पुन्नू जालमा दिला दिया मैरमा सुती नू छोड़ के न जाना ਜਦੋਂ ਸੱਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਛੋੜ ਕੇ ਚਲਾ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਪੁੰਨੂ ਤੇ then she says and gets up and says ਸੁਣ ਵੇ ਪੁੱਤਾ ਰਾਜ ਦੇ ਕੋਈ ਐਸੀ ਕੰਧ ਉਸਾਰ ਵੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿੱਚ ਰੱਖ ਦੇ ਮੋਰੀਆਂ ਵੇ ਮੈਂ ਦੇਖਾਂ ਪੁੰਨੂ ਦੀ ਚਾਲ ਵੇ ਹਾਏ ਵੇ ਪੁੰਨੂ ਜ਼ਾਲਮਾ ਦਿਲਾ ਦਿਆ ਮੈरमा ਸੁੱਤੀ ਨੂੰ ਛੋੜ ਕੇ न जाना सुन जिन्नी राही तू गयो मैं उन्नी राही जावदी पैर तेरे दी कंकरी वे मैं मिश्री करके खावदी हाय वे पुन्नू जालमा दिला दिया मैरमा सुती नू छोड़ के न जाना सुती नू छोड़ के न जाना
Two lives of left with each other and then that's it.
सस्सी पुन्नू के बाद लट्ठे दी जाती Now, I can't refuse Nisha now because she's done such a great work. So can't just can't say no. तो टोल वाला भी लगा सी एक बच्चा. I want a टोपी then. And this Surinder, लट्ठे दी जाती. On the road. हाँ सुर एडलिप तो शुरू करेंगे ठीक है दे दो सुर दे सुर दे बेटा सुर दो ओ माँ के जन्मदिन वाले दिन निशा ने मैंने इत्थे बुलाया मैंने इंज लगता मेरी माँ तक साडा मैसेज पहुँच गया
Thank you so much. I don't think so any one of us is going to ever forget this night where Bankarji is dancing and Dolly auntie singing. So beautiful. And the kids dancing.